Hey guys, welcome. This is our Chapter 11 error video. Do not write down the work I do, but please write down what I did wrong and what you would do to fix it. So, here we go. Let's start. Alright, first of all, we're going to go ahead and find volume of the next couple shapes. So the first thing I always like to do is write down the volume equation. So this is a pyramid, so we have to do 1/3 area of the base times the height. And here we just go ahead and 1/3 area of the base. It's a 9 by 9 square, so that's just pretty easy. And our height is 8 feet. You know it's height. It's got that perpendicular segment there. And multiply all that together. 9 times 9 times 8 divided by 3. We get 216 cubic feet for our volume. Again, remember, I'm making a mistake. There is a mistake. Alright, finding volume again. This is a shape that we can find the volume of easily. It's a prism. So prisms are easy. Find the area of the base times the height. Okay, this is pretty easy. The area of the base, you can't really see, but it's this bottom piece right here. We know the area of that piece is going to be easy to find. We just do 8 times 15 because it's a rectangle. And the height is 9. So we just multiply those together. I love math. It's so fun. Alright, boom. Done. Moving on. Oh yeah, wait, let's do this one first. Why not? Okay. Here is our shape. Now this one's a little tricky. Announcement.
Logan Twombly, please come to attendance. Logan Twombly, please come to attendance. Thank you.
Okay, if that's you should probably go to the attendance office. Anyways, moving on. This is a slant height. We call it L. So we can't use that. We have to find the true height. So we're going to go ahead and do some mathematicas. If it's pointing to the center, I'm assuming that's going to be the diameter. So this is just 10, which is the radius. Okay, so we got 10, 40, and I want to find the height. So we're going to use Pythagorean's theorem. Pythagorean's theorem. The theorem de Pythagorean. 100 batabadiyam. Shumbadamanamanamaninam. Sing a song, a song, a sing. Okay, we get that. Subtract. We get h squared equals, that's going to become 1500. Square root, square root. Root, root. Square root, root, root. Square root. Okay, we're going to have to do a little estimation here. So it's going to be approximately 38.7. What is that? 2. So there's our height. We'll go through decimal spots. Why not? Bam. Okay. So go ahead and use our formula here. And volume equals pi r squared times the height. Pi r, remember, you got to remember, right here, it's 10 squared times the height of 38.729. Now, I actually have it left in my calculator already, so I'm just going to go ahead and times this by 10 squared. Oop. And then I'm going to go ahead and leave that in terms of pi, as you should. And we'll round it to the nearest tenth. And we'll just stop there. Pi. And this is in meters. So we got cubic meters. And there you go. Alright. One last problem. What is the scale factor? So we got 2 volumes. I'm going to choose to take this top one over the bottom one. Okay. First thing I should do is see if I can reduce my fraction. So we got 512, and you're going to hit this button right here, that A, B, C, and we're going to get 1, Oh, okay, so if that happens, that means we can't reduce this, so we're just going to go ahead and not reduce it. So we're given here our volume, so let's go ahead and take care of that by square rooting. And we take 512, we're going to square root that. Second, there's the square root button, 512, and we get 22.6. And then 1 square root of 133.1 gives us 36.5. I don't want it like this, so I'm going to multiply top and bottom by 10 so I don't have that decimal there anymore. and then see if I can reduce that. That would be neat. Nope, doesn't reduce, so that's our answer. Perfect as usual. Alright, well, I hope you got those down. Remember, I did make a mistake in each problem. Please correct it. Please tell me what I did wrong. And please subscribe. Just kidding, I don't really care. Alright, ciao, Maine.